Ngwatanio ya kutetea mavata ma Alimu Knut niyavyaia itheka Mukomo wa Alimu na ula wiivangithitw'e kwambiia muthenyani wa uni kumana na nzama executive ya ngwatanio kuneenania na kwitikilana na Mukomo usu oyiendee kukwatiania na silikali imeanisye mawendi ngwatanio iweta tayavihia itambia yuwiti na wakukunikila maendeleo onthe ma maundu ala kwa oyu mavikitwe mbe wa silikali na undu silikali vamwe na TSC yonanitie kwiyumia kwingi vamwe na mwanya wa Alimu ula mosete nthini wa kusukumia vata wa kisomo unuwe ovona ati yasya ona kaundi ni wani matambia amwe ala silikali na TSC mosete kumina maundu ala mamavinyete yina mwikio kanave na wendi museo wa kuvikia kuyaniwe mawendekethio ala manenganitwe ni ngwatanio ya Knut. Charity Chambo ena mauvo.
Kumana na umbano mwasa wa nzama nene ya utongo ya ngwatanio ya kutetea mavata ma Alimu Knut ngwatanio niyaungamya Mukomo wa Alimu ula itangasite kwambiia muthenyani wa uni na kuvingisa kisomo cha tamwa katetu.
The NEC has therefore today, the 25th of August 2024, agreed to withdraw the strike notice action, which was elapsing by midnight today, 24th, and which have commenced, and we have commenced addressing the remaining matters which should be addressed administratively. Meanwhile, we assure our members that the union is committed to resolve the matters herewith, failure to which we shall revert to the initial position since the strike notice has only been withdrawn.
Kuyana na nzama wano uyu wavikiwa kumana na mongamo wa silikali movia wa kuandika Alimu TSC vamwe na Alimu nthini wa muvango wa kuendesya kisomo nambe.
In light of the latest developments, we direct our teachers to resume duty effective Monday, tomorrow, the 26th of August 2024. They have already promoted 51,232 teachers through competitive interviews, and the process is ongoing. On teachers' medical scheme, our teachers were not being treated, were being turned away by service providers. And as we spoke, Teachers Service Commission gave an assurance that our teachers proceed to access treatment in both public and private hospitals. On the issues that we presented, we agreed upon this. Third-party deductions were remitted to banks. Then teacher circles also received the third-party deductions. So as we speak now, the issue of third-party deductions is gone. And this one we confirmed with Teacher Service Commission. The second phase of the salary award for teachers was given and factored in their salaries in arrears for the month of August.
Ngwatanio weta na gutwika ndineyani wani mausungio ala manengano ni ngwatanio ya kuandika Alimu ya TSC ni kuungamya Mukomo oyiendee ya kwatia maundu ala TSC itaneanisya.
We call upon our esteemed members to remain steadfast as we resolve the matters that are remaining at hand. So the strike notice does not stand anymore. Solidarity.
Vilingi wa mauvo ni chawa Charity Chambo.